What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching these two new lip kits by Motives Cosmetics. First one is in like really pretty, and this one is called Berry Shady. Okay, now before we get started, I just want to say that I have my little son, my little darling little baby, sitting in the corner, and he is a little bit restless, so I'm going to have to fly through this because, you know, little newborns can be a little bit unpredictable and demanding. So if you want to see what these new lip kits look like, swatched and reviewed, then honey, baby, stay watching. Woo! Okay. Oh, here he goes. All right, so starting off with this one, like really pretty. Let's go to their website. Now, it says that it's a new release and it's about $39.95 Australian dollars. And with that kit, you get a lipstick and a matching lip pencil. Now, on the back, it says it contains one creamy matte lipstick and one mini lip pencil, which I just showed you. And it says this: your secret weapon to perfectly contoured lips, the Motives Lip Kit features a creamy, ultra pigmented, luxe matte lipstick and coordinating mini lip pencil. Votre arme secrétaire pour un... Oh, that's French. All right, so let's open up this little bad boy and get started. Okay, so here it is. So I've just undone that little safety seal. I'm gonna go and open it up. Very nice. Okay, let's pop out this lip pencil and the lipstick. So how would I describe this? Okay, well, it's a beautiful kind of rose pink color. It's probably a great everyday lipstick color. It would suit all types depending on where you're going, what your skin tone is and what your preference is. So let's go ahead and open this up. That's the color right there. Ooh, that looks nice. Yes, I like that ultra matte look. And here's the mini lip pencil. Ooh, baby, that's sharp. Okay. So let's get in there. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this lip crayon, and oh wow, that is pretty good. Very, very soft. Let's go in. Okay, my first thought straight away is that, first of all, the color, it is a beautiful shade of berry. The actual crayon, it is fairly small, and it's very easy to apply. So with lip color, you don't want it to be too dry, otherwise it just breaks, and you don't want to be too soft because you need something that's actually going to get grip on your lips so that you can control where the line is. Now, the other thing is that I like the fact that you can actually sharpen this with a pencil, because if you do have clients, it's hygienic and sanitary, because you've got to be able to sharpen it and clean it before you put on to the next client. Baby, I think we better hurry up. So let's get on to the lipstick. All right, let's go in with the lipstick. So first of all, how much do you get? 2.7 grams of beautiful lip color. Hang on, baby. We're gonna have to do this fairly fast. Let's go. All right, so my first thought is it is actually beautiful. It's creamy, very easy to apply, and it's actually surprisingly quite hydrating, because in the last 5 minutes I've had to go and feed my baby. And if you saw my lips before this, my lips were cracked, absolutely disgusting, because I haven't really been taking care of myself, and I did a few other tutorials, so my lips were raw, baby, they were raw. And this is actually making them feel really quite nice. You can see right here. You can't see all that dead skin, you know, flaking off my lips. So here's the swatch right here. Beautiful and creamy. All right. And great coverage. Now, let's do the kiss test. Oh, there is quite a bit of transfer. And let's do the coffee test. As you can see, there is a little bit of transfer. Now, has that affected the color? Not really. Next, we're going to be going in with this lip kit here, which is called Berry Shady. There's a bit of a play on words, and out we go. So first up, I can see it's got a lot of purple through it. You can see right here. Let's do a little bit of a swatch on my skin. Hang on. And let's go in with the lipstick swatch right here. Time to get these bad boys on my lips. And time for Berry Shady. That's a lot of purple right there. See the way it looks on the lips. Alright, so that brings us to the end of that little tutorial, and it ended up being that this little boy won in the end. He needed attention. He needed me to pick him up, otherwise I couldn't finish my tutorial. Khalifa, say hello, baby. Hello. He's looking at himself in my little mirror down here. Okay, so final thoughts. I'm going to give these lip kits 3.9 out of 5, and let me tell you why. Yes, they are creamy, ultra pigmented, luxe matte lipstick. Yes, they are, and they are a beautiful color, but with that much transfer, I don't know, it doesn't seem that matte to me. I really don't want a lipstick that transfers that much. And secondly, as a kit for $39.95, do I really want to get a mini? Okay, I want to open up my kit and get a full pencil, because at $39.95, why would I want to get a mini? Now, don't get me wrong, the product is great. Great coverage, beautiful color, nice packaging, but at the end, I want a full lip liner. You know, a full lip liner. Don't give me half, give me the full thing. I want that value, baby. So that brings us to the end of this little mini lip swatch tutorial, this little review. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave any comments if you need help. Hey, say bye-bye. Oh my gosh. Hey, say bye-bye. Khalifa, say bye-bye. Mwah. The winner of the day was this color, like really pretty. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Khalifa. Hey, hey. Handsome. Hey, handsome. You little monkey. Hello. Oh, your lips. I love you. I love you, love you, love you. Mwah.